Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to LinkedIn. Access your professional network step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type linkedin.com and press enter. If you are using the mobile app, open the LinkedIn app from your home screen. On the LinkedIn homepage, find the Sign In button and click or tap it. You will see a field for email or phone, so click or tap inside that field. Type the email address or phone number linked to your LinkedIn account. Next, click or tap the password field to enter your password. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to avoid typing mistakes, use the Show Password option if it is available. If you are on a personal device, you can check Remember Me to stay signed in. If you are on a public or shared device, leave Remember Me unchecked for security. Now click or tap the Sign In button to log into your account. If LinkedIn asks for a verification code, choose how you want to receive it. Check your email or SMS messages and find the LinkedIn security code. Return to LinkedIn and enter the code exactly as shown. Click or tap Submit or Verify to complete the security check. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. Enter your email or phone number and follow the reset instructions that LinkedIn sends you. After resetting, go back to the sign-in page and enter your new password. Once logged in, you should see your LinkedIn feed on the home page. Click your profile photo to confirm you are in the correct account. If you have multiple accounts, sign out and log in again with the right email. To sign out, click your profile photo and select Sign Out from the menu. If you are using the app, tap your profile picture, then tap Settings, then Sign Out. For a smoother login next time, consider using a password manager to save your credentials safely. Always avoid logging in on unknown networks, and never share your password with anyone. If you see unusual activity, go to Settings and Privacy and update your password immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.